Can you kind of break it down for us? Like, what is billing and what is revenue cycle management?
So revenue cycle management, it starts when the patient walks in. Someone needs to verify their insurance eligibility and benefits and check if there is a deductible, if your physician is in network with the payer insurance.
So, what is after eligibility and verification?
So if you need to be authorized, you need to do that as well. But then we go into billing. So the physician does the notes and enters all the codes, CPT codes, and the biller is the one that submits the claims and makes sure that the notes were done correctly, that nothing is missing. And yeah, once you submit the claims, you need to check how many days it's been before the insurance paid. And if the insurance hasn't paid for 30 or more days, you need to follow up and see what's wrong. And if the claim has been denied, you need to figure out why and if you need to resubmit them or file an appeal.
Confession. So this is in total, I've been practicing for roughly 8 years. But I've had my own practice for about 4 years. The first year, I did not follow up with those insurance companies. And so there were certain consequences. Like, for example, I was treating a patient who was being seen by home healthcare at the same time. Yikes, I did not get paid for that. Home healthcare got paid for that. I'm not going to ask to be reimbursed by the patient either because that's my mistake. But again, that's lost money. If I knew to do that beforehand, that we wouldn't have this issue. I didn't have Erica back then, though.
It's easy to submit and forget, and especially if you're juggling so many things on you're a physician, you should be focusing on, seeing the
Well,
patient,
physical therapist, but yeah.
seeing the patient and doing the notes. But that's why you have people helping you and people that have time and have expertise to go and follow up on those things and make sure you get paid.
And so I think that's a great point here is as you grow, you want to scale intelligently. You want to be using consultants that know what they're doing and that can help you rather than doing everything yourself. If you're trying to do everything yourself, like what Erica was saying, you're juggling, there's too many holes and gaps. You're just not efficient. For me, right, a physical therapist, or from my understanding, therapy billing company also works with dentists, dental billing, and medical billing for various physicians, including dermatology. So actually, when Erica started billing for one of my physical therapy practices, our revenue just improved greatly because we were actually being paid for the work that we were doing. So thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.